Well, hey, we're down at Timeless Art again. Today we're working on this Zenith. It's a 6S 152. We were working on, we showed this yesterday, and right here is the Zenith S 262. This one's already been, you seen this one yesterday, prepped. It's got like 3 good coats of a finish on it to start here, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of touch up on a rub through here, and then I'll be toning this in a day or two. This one right here, the 12S 471, has been sanded on the side. Sanded on that side. I got the top sanded. I'm doing a little repair in here because it was all tore out right in here, so we're going to put a little repair in here, sand that up, and then it's just the front, and we're ready to finish this. And this little 6S 152 is already been prepped, everything, but as I was working on it, come on up over here, Corey. You can see it. Somebody did a little, kind of what I'm going to call a poor repair here. I don't know why they did that, but basically what I did is I just save a little bit of time. I've already taken this out. I cut this out like this, and I knocked it out. And come on over here, Corey. I disconnected the end block here so I could get this pushed over like it should be. I don't know why somebody didn't glue it up right, but that's the kind of stuff we got. All right, so we're gonna. This side over here is not bad. So, all right, Rado, you got a piece of veneer or something? Probably pretty good, huh? Run that through one more time, Colorado. Good? Alright. Now I'll have you help me out with the plant, Colorado. Probably gonna get a couple of them.
Oh, looks like one will fit right across, huh?
Yeah. That one suits won't work very well. You got another one of these good ones? That clamp broke for some reason.
I think that one's not very good either.
Huh? I know we got more clamps over here. What's it going there? See if we can find some more. Actually, I got some bar clamps over there. Yeah, right on that radio arm. So that one broke, Corey.
Oh,
Well, this one might work. Here's one, Jenna. Yeah, I'll take that back to Menards, huh? Glad I can get a clean little rag with some water on it. Why'd you do that? Yeah. Where you going? Oh. Hopefully this one works. Oh yeah. No, it looks like it pop these for a second. Look like
Yes, I can just move if you want.
well, it wasn't moving before, but I see it moving now. So yeah, that's all we have. Where's the big pieces in here? That's all that glue all over there.
We get more glue on it.
Where's my nice little razor knife right behind Corey?
Yep.
There we go. Spread that like that for a second. Yeah, that'll be a lot better on it. How much is loose there? See it? Doing anything?
Yep.
Alright, now we'll get to the baby put back together. Alright, here, clean that up for a minute. A little bit of glue squirt now. There was one more clamp right there. Yesterday, it was the two Stooges. Now it's all three of us. That should do something. Get another rag here, help cool right off. Start to clean it up with all this
Yeah.
clamps going on here.
There's some water right there.
I'll get glue on the rest of the radio.
You sure?
Get poking in there.
So you grab it.
Yep. It don't have to be flawless, honey. I can sand it off tomorrow.
Yep.
Want this to poke in there?
Nope, I just gotta get that one spot.
Pretty good, huh?
Yep. Just getting those here.
We'll let Corey show that. Yeah, that's gonna be a lot better, ain't it? Still little touch of a gap over here, but not too bad. Yeah, I don't know why anybody would have did a repair like that when they could have just took the radio apart and fixed it like it should be, but hey, we don't know. So, okay, well, in the next couple of days, you'll be seeing this one getting finished here too. We'll probably do a little modification up under here too, just to hold this together a little bit more too. So, because you never know when these radios get old and they start to bow and warp out a little bit. Sometimes they just need a little extra help. So, thank you. Have a good day.